Yep, we're gonna be making some porridge. Fast oats. Yeah. So we're gonna be using one of these and two of these, and the reason for that is these got more flavor than this one. This one is just big jack, chunky tomato. Here's the classic right here. So it give you more flavor when you use this one in it. Yeah. Hit it with a couple cups of flour. White flour. So I hit one. Basically that's one, because this is a little bit of cup I got right here. So if it's a small amount you want to make, you maybe just use 3 cups of flour. Cool? 3 cups of flour is good enough. But I'm going to tell you like 5, because I want to leave leftovers and stuff like that. Alright, so I hit it with that flour. That should be good right there. That's that. So this is the cornmeal right here. Use like a quarter of it. You don't want to put too much for the cornmeal to overthrow the flour. So I just put that amount. So now you want to mix it around. You don't mix it around so you could mix the cornmeal and the flour together with the salt. So mix it around, mix it around. And we got one more product to put in it. Got one more product to put in it. Where it's at, where it's at, where it's at. We need that baking powder. Woo, here it is. Found it. We need some baking powder, okay? It's gonna give it that fluff. See it? So we're making that flour. So go back. Thank you. So the ingredients, we got flour, we got cornmeal, we got some baking powder, we got some salt. We're gonna put some sugar, wooger. But you gotta keep. Vegetable oil. Wash back your hands. Now we're gonna make that dough. I'm gonna show you how I've been making that dough. powder is in it, so it's going to get swollen. So you don't want to make it too thick. Perfecto. 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 God. Black pepper. Turn it up. Purpose, all purpose, all purpose. All purpose. Hit him with that Maggie. You want to make sure your food is seasoning properly. You don't want to use too much and you don't want to use too little bit. Now this is something that y'all gotta use in all your seasoning then when you're seasoning food. Make sure you got that garlic powder, okay? That garlic powder. Garlic powder. This is the flavor boy right here. And I'm gonna show you somebody else that you got to use in these foods. Oh my God, take my time, huh? It's a must. Paprika. It's a must you get some paprika. It's a must. Okay? And we got that. And you could hit him with you could hit him with some of these. Hit him with this too. Give you some flavor. Okay? That's it. There you got it. Got a proper seasoned mackerel. So now you want to go ahead and make sure you stir that seasoning around. Now you're going to leave it, let it cook. Remember these? We already did the festivals. It's action time. Oh no. We're gonna use like 4 bottles of water for this pot right here. 3. And you could add water as you go. That's 4. Now we're gonna put it on the stove. It's medium. And stir it around. And just let it boil. Okay? That's that right there. So now we check back in with this mackerel real quick, see what it do. Ooh, oh wow. Oh wow. Oh y'all wanna see it. We're gonna heat it with that sweetened condensed milk.